Hey guys, Mr. Chang here. So what we're going to do today is we're installing this brake light strip. Okay, so I'm going to install this onto my Ram here. What I did so far is taking out the tailgate. What you do is you take out the two cables that hook onto the body, the frame. Then you just remove it from the passenger side, tilt it a little bit, about 45-degree angle, pull it out, and then the other side just pulls right out. What it took me to do here, so before you can lay it like this, you have to kind of unplug the plug here. Instead of the wire coming out and plugging it into my 4 on the outside, I am going to attempt, maybe on camera, off camera, I don't know yet, to tap the wire, to tap the back wire here, tap this back wire, because I still have some female ends available from, like trailer projects that I have in the past. So I might try to tap the female ends onto the wire so everything plugs behind the bumper, so it stays out of sight and it stays cleaner, and I can still use my 4 if I want to trailer something. Okay, so stay tuned. Okay, here we are testing, and then we're going to label the colors, okay? So I found out that red, in this particular one, red is reverse, okay? And then blue is ground. So for example, if you look, okay, so red is reverse. So, label reverse. And then stick it onto the red one. Alright, so I'm going to do that and label all of these colors because they're not correlated, at least in my opinion. Okay, so what I'm doing here is I'm just going to unclip the back piece here. Just these two tabs, press it down and it pulls right off. Just to keep these wires from moving and keep them safe. So what I'm going to do is, I have this battery tester. What I do is I'll start the car, just put it in signal left and right, and tap to see which prong or which connection is which. So I just need left turn, right turn, left turn, brake, and then I'll probably wire the reverse into one of the reverse lights. Okay, so that's what we're gonna do next. Oh, if you're not, this is more for a visual person. If you're not a visual person or you don't have that and you have something like a multimeter, you can use a multimeter too. Both of these are from Harbor Freight Tool. Very cheap stuff. Okay, so everything is done here. It is tucked. I know that I could wrap it a little better, but we're going to end it for today. So it's tucked under the bumper, and it's away from my 4. So these are still open for me to use. I tapped it from behind. Okay, put it under, and we'll put everything back together.